Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a cute horse. Yay! A horse is a big, strong farm animal. Horses can run very fast. Horses live on farms. Sometimes they live in stables. They love to play in the grass and run in big fields. Horses love to eat grass, hay, and carrots. Some horses also love apples. Yum yum! Now it's time to color our horse. First, we color the hair and tail yellow. So bright and happy. Now let's color the horse's body orange-brown. Nice and warm. Now let's add some cream on the nose, tummy, and back. Looks so cute. Then color the hooves dark brown. The horse is walking. Wow! Our horse looks amazing. You did a great job. I love drawing. I love coloring. Do you love drawing too? Yes? Me too. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.